Hi students, welcome to all of you in today's class. Today I have taken problem from cylinder and this question is very important. Let's see the question. The CSA means the curved surface area of a solid cylinder is equal to 2 by 3, 2/3 of the total surface area. Means curved surface area is equal to 2/3 of total surface area, and if total surface area is 924 cm square, then we have to find out its volume. We have to find out the volume of the cylinder. Let's see here TSA, total surface area here. TSA equal to given how much? 924 cm square. And what is saying in question? CSA is 2/3 of total surface area. So CSA equal to 2/3 of total surface area is this 924 cm square. Then CSA equal to after cancelling this, it will be how much? 3 3 ja, here we can write down 3 3 ja 0, 3 8 ja 308, means 308 into 2, that will be 616 cm square. That is its CSA. Curved surface area is 616 cm square. After that, area of plane surface equal to how much? If we subtract this curved surface area from total surface area, then that will be plane surface area. Means it will be how much? 924 minus 616 cm square equal to, after multiplying we will get how much? 8 11 1 1 0 and 308 cm square. After subtracting we will get 308 cm square. That is its plane surface area. By formula we can write down, by formula, area of plane surface, that will be area of plane surface, means by from figure I would like to make you understand. Let's see. Total surface area means this part, this circular part, and this circular part is also added in the total surface area. And curved surface area means only this part and this sides, except these two circular parts. So if we subtract from total surface area, if we will subtract curved surface area, then we will get the value of this circular part. That is the area of the plane surface. By formula, area of plane surface equal to 2 pi r square, pi r square and pi r square. That means 2 pi r square. After that, 2 pi r square, the value is given here 308 cm square equal to 2 pi means 22/7 r square, or r square equal to, we will get 308 into 7 divided by 44, or r equal to, direct r equal to, I am writing here 7 centimeter. Now the value of r we have, after this line I am writing here r equal to, we have got. So if we will put the value in this, CSA equal to 2 pi RH, and the value of CSA is given 616 cm square equal to 2 pi. The value of R is 7 centimeter into H. Then we will get here H. 7 and 7 cancel, or H equal to 616 divided by 44 cm, or H equal to the value of H, we will get 14 centimeter. After this, R we have, H we have. So volume we have to find out. I am running this sides. Then let's see how to find out its volume. After this line I am writing here. Now volume, if only R and H we have to find out, that means it is answer. Now volume we have to find out in this question. So volume equal to, what is the volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. Pi r square h equal to, the value of pi is 22/7 r square. That means r we had found 7 into 7, or write down 7 cm into 7 cm into h means 14 cm. This 7 and 7 cancel, equal to 22 into 7 into 14. 22 into 7, or we can write down here 98 cm, and we are finding out volume, so its unit will be Q. Now after multiplying this, we will get its answer 98, 22, 6, 9, 1, 6, 2156. 2156 cm cube is its answer. If we have to find out its volume, then we should find out this way. Understood? All of you have understood, I think. Okay, thank you.